Okay, vlog like intro just because I have to show you guys something. So if you've watched one of my previous Plan With Me's, then you know that I went to Vegas for spring break, and so I was home for spring break for a little bit, and so I filmed 2 Plan With Me's while I was at home. And so now I'm trying to film this week's Plan With Me, and then I realized I forgot my tripod at home. So I had to do a little MacGyvering and create a new filming setup, and I think you guys would just appreciate this setup. So usually I like film on my desk, like right here, and I have my little setup, my little corkboard background up here. But since I don't have my tripod, I had to put my camera like this underneath a whole bunch of books that I have, and then move my lights over here. And I'm not gonna lie, the picture still looks good, so this is gonna work hopefully. And yes, I'm wearing a onesie. But I thought you guys would just enjoy this little behind the scenes sneak peek of this week's video. And without further ado, let's get planning. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and just give it a huge thumbs up because of my filming setup for this video. I think I did pretty well despite that. Like, sitting awkwardly to do this was well worth it because I think this spread turned out pretty cool. I love the color scheme, and I'm hoping to add more of the big deco stickers throughout the week. So if you want to see full pictures of my spread, just remember to follow my Instagram, which will always be linked in the down bar below, so you can get like a full look at the finished spreads, because as you can see, there's still a lot of white space, but this will be filled by the end of the week. And I just want to give a shout out to Theadia for commenting in my last video. Remember, if you want to be shouted out in my next video, just Comment down below what your favorite part of the spread was, or if you have any video suggestions, always leave them down below. And since you made it to the end of this video, you get a sneak peek of next week. So next week I will be using this Office Girl kit from Eclectically Emily. It's like a completely blue week, which is a big contrast to the colors for this week. And I love the clip art that she used to make this kit. Yeah, I think it's just a very cool tones. And so if you want to see this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!